Hey everybody, in this video I want to show the different types of pool liner wrinkles and vinyl line pools. This is going to be the first video that I make, and this is going to show what I see commonly in my area. And what that is going to be pool liner wrinkles that are caused from groundwater. And these actually sprung up over the last couple of weeks. And as you can see, they're actually pretty big. And what will happen is over time they'll get worse. The liner will actually float to where you can actually touch it, and then it'll settle back down. And it's really a bad problem to have, but it is pretty common. And it's because the pressure of the groundwater is greater than the pressure of the pool water pulling down, and so it'll actually float. Sometimes it'll come all the way to the top, sometimes it'll just come up maybe a foot. And as you can see, it's only like half of the pool. So this is the main kind of wrinkles that I actually see. And when I come back, I'll be at another pool and I'll show you what another form of wrinkles come from. So pretty much the other ways that your pool liner can start to have wrinkles. But if this ever does happen, you want to call a swimming pool service as soon as possible to see if they can come and actually get these out. So I will be back in a minute. Okay, and here is some pH wrinkles that are in this pool. And this is the return line. It's happening around all of the return lines, or should I say it's already happened around all the return lines. I'm going to go under and show you here. Let's see. And then around the light, you can see okay, everybody, in that example that I just briefly showed you, that is going to be from low pH in the pool. So if your pH ever gets low, you need to adjust it between 7.4 and 7.6 to prevent that from happening. And from my understanding, that pool had actually sat for about 6 months, and they kept the chlorine good, but the pH was low. So those are two examples of pool liner wrinkles that you may run into. If you ever develop any of them, you need to have a pool company come out to check, and you want to figure out which one they are, what kind of, or what's the cause, the root cause of it, and get to that as quickly as possible so there's not further damage. So I wanted to thank you for watching this. Please subscribe for more videos coming soon. Thank you.